Hello future engineers, there is another video in integral calculus, particularly on indefinite integrals. If you want the guide and techniques, please proceed to Mix solve problems in uh, solve problems on indefinite integrals part 0. There you will have uh, witness the techniques on how to evaluate indefinite integrals correctly with the guides and techniques by transforming them into definite integrals. So here we go. There are 5 exercises in this video, and the numbering is the same numbering as in exercises on in integral calculus by Love and Rainville, miscellaneous exercises on, I think, page 253 to 255. Just look for that book. So the first one is by power formula, integral of y dy over quantity 1 plus y square cube, which can be written as, if we put u be 1 plus y square, du is 2y dy. So this is 1 half integral of quantity 1 plus y squared to the negative 3, then 2y dy. So this is in the form u to the negative 3 du. So the integral is 1 half, then quantity 1 plus y squared to the negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. 1 half quantity 1 plus y squared to the negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. So the answer is negative 1 over 4 quantity 1 plus y square plus c. 37, we expand first the numerator, then divide it by t cubed. So that would be integral of quantity t to the fourth minus 2t squared plus 1 dt over t cubed. So dividing everything by t cubed, this is now in the form integral of quantity t minus 2 over t, then minus t to the negative 3, or plus t to the negative 3 dt. Integral of t is t squared over 2, then minus 2 ln of t, then plus t to the negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. So t squared over 2 minus 2 ln of t plus t to the negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. So the final answer is t squared over 2 minus 2 ln t, then minus 1 over 2t squared plus c. 38, this is in the form arcsine. So u is y and a is 4. 4 square, 16 is 4 square. So this is this is arcsine of y over 4 plus c. So arcsine of y over 4 plus c. So 39, we break cosine to the fifth into cosine to the fourth t cosine t, and sine to the fourth at is. So this is integral of quantity cosine to the fourth t sine to the fourth t, then times cosine t dt. We replace cosine to the fourth t by its identity, cosine squared t quantity square, and cosine squared t is 1 minus sine squared t. So that would be 1 minus sine squared t quantity square sine to the fourth t times cosine t dt, so that we can apply power formula. Expanding, that would be integral of 1 minus 2 sine squared t plus sine to the fourth t times sine to the fourth t quantity cosine t dt. And distributing sine to the fourth, so that would be integral of quantity sine to the fourth t minus 2 sine to the sixth t, quantity sine to the fourth t minus 2 sine to the sixth t plus sine to the eighth t quantity cosine t dt. So this is by power formula, u be sine t, differential of u is cosine t dt. So it would be sine to the fifth t over 5 minus 2 sine to the 7t over 7, then plus sine to the 9t over 9 plus c. So that's it for that integral. Then we proceed to number 40. You have to think first. If you expand it, there will be so many terms, but the technique here is by parts, the shorter way. So we put u be uh, x, so du is dx, and dv is 1/3 integral of 3x plus 1 to the 7 times 3 dx, so that we can apply power formula here. So dv is 3x plus 1 to the 7 dx, or that would be imagined as 1/3 quantity 3x plus 1 to the 7 times 3 dx, so that the integral is 1/3, then 3x plus 1 to the 8 over 8, so that would be 1 over 24 of 3x plus 1 to the 8. So because this is integration by parts, uv, so integral of x quantity 3x plus 1 to the 7 dx becomes x over 24 quantity 3x plus 1 to the 8, then minus integral of v du, so minus 1 over 24 integral of quantity 3x plus 1 to the 8 dx. And the integral of 3x plus 1 to the 8 is, again, there is 1/3 here. So 1 over 24 times 3, then 1 over 9. Quantity 3x plus 1 to the 9. So that would be x over 24 times quantity 3x plus 1 uh, to the 8, then minus 1 over 24, 1 over 3 times 9, then quantity 3x plus 1 to the 9 plus c. So simplifying, that would now become x over 24, quantity 3x plus 1 to the 8, then minus 1 over 648, quantity x plus 3x plus 1 to the 9 plus c. So factor out everything and simplify. I will not read it anymore. You can follow. So 3x plus 1 to the 8 over 648, factor out. So here it would be 27x, then minus quantity 3x plus 1. Finally, 27x minus 3x is 24x minus 1. So the integral is 3x plus 1 quantity to the 8 over 648 times quantity 24x minus 1 plus c. So that's it. Although the answer may be written in this level here if you want to.